Atop the rocky granite coastline at the entrance of the Narragansett Bay lies Fort Wetherill. In the mid-1700s, a fort was constructed to fend off the British and French troops during the Revolutionary War. At the time, the fort was known to patriots as Dumpling Rock Battery, and to the British as Fort Dumpling Rock, but became known as Fort Dumpling. Nearing a century old, Fort Dumpling was in disrepair and was demolished to make way for a much larger and more advanced fort. The fort was constructed between 1895 and 1903, renaming it to Fort Wetherill. The fort was named after Jamestown native Captain Alexander Macomb Wetherill. The fort was made of reinforced concrete and by 1910 featured 7 batteries and a mine complex. The batteries contain 20th century breech-loading rifle coast artillery pieces. The artillery pieces were able to retract and hide behind barriers, making them impossible to see when hidden. In 1939, the fort was used as a military training facility for soldiers during World War II, and the fort was fully reactivated in 1940 as part of the harbor defenses of Narragansett Bay. Late in World War II, the fort was used as a training facility for German prisoners of war until it was decommissioned in 1946. The fort remained abandoned until August 16, 1972, when the state of Rhode Island purchased the fort for use as a state park. Fort Wetherill was added to the National Register of Historic Places the same year. Wes Anderson fans will recognize this spot as a filming location for the film Moonrise Kingdom. The guns and military arsenal are long gone, and much of the remnants of this historic military site are overgrown and covered in graffiti. Thank you for watching this episode of the Reveal Our Eye video series brought to you by NovaPro Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We'll see you soon.